but I think the budget is in totality invalid. Hindi na pwedeng mag-blanco-blanco dyan sa pera ng tao. But you do not leave any item there vacant. Ito pera, ito blanco to be filled up later on. That is not allowed by law. I would like to remind Congress. Mali ho yan. It's invalid. Please correct it.
He's lying. He knows perfectly well that that doesn't ever happen. Sa kasaysayan ng buong Pilipinas, hindi pinapayagan na magkaroon ng item ang GAA nang hindi nakalagay kung ano yung project at saka ano yung gastos, ano yung pondo. Pero namang kopya that's available on the website of DBM, tignan ninyo, huwag na ninyong busisihin isa-isa. Hanapin nyo yung sinasabi nila na blank check. Tignan ninyo kung meron kahit isa para mapatunayan na tama ang sinasabi ko, kasinungalingan yan.